Hey everyone, in this video we are going to put this Western style front bumper on this 2019 Greenlight F-350. Let's get to work. All you really need for tools to install this bumper is a flathead screwdriver. This is my favorite glue in the whole wide world. Instaset is optional, but I keep it around because it just speeds up the project. The bumper is a separate piece right here. Just come in from the back and you can pry that away from the plastic. You can just basically bust it off. Just like that. There's plastic pins that hold that in. You can keep that bumper, discard it as you wish. Now we can test fit our new bumper and see how it looks. You can paint this bumper if you choose. I kind of like the look of it just the way it is, so I'm not going to paint it. Go ahead and test fit it to make sure it is nice and square on your cab, that there's nothing askew. When you're satisfied with the way it fits, run a little bit of glue right here, and then you're going to attach it to the bottom of this grill. That's all you have to do. So just as I said, we're going to run just a little bit of glue. Going to center it up. And then I'm going to use a little Instaset and cure it immediately. One more look from the side to make sure that it's square. And this truck is ready for the layout. That is all you have to do to install one of these Western style bumpers to a Greenlight pickup. I sell the bumper and the glue in my store. The Greenlight pickup you can buy anywhere. I actually picked this one up for $8 at a toy show. Guy had it marked down and I thought, man, this will be perfect for my layout. If you learned something, share it with a friend. Go make something awesome.